Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to change your name color on Telegram. Whether you want to give your chats a little personality or just make your display name stand out, you can do it in just a few steps. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Telegram app. Make sure you're signed in to your account so you can access your profile and settings. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. This is usually the 3 horizontal lines that open up your main navigation options. Next, tap on Settings. This is where most of the customization options for Telegram are located. You'll see things like notifications, privacy, storage, and more. But for now, we're focusing on how your chat looks and feels. In Settings, scroll until you find the option called Chat Settings. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can control how your Telegram chats appear, including themes, backgrounds, text sizes, and most importantly, your name color. Now, tap on Name Color. This will open up a palette of colors that Telegram lets you choose from. Whether you want something bold and bright, or soft and minimal, you'll definitely find one that fits your style. Once you've picked your favorite color, simply tap on it and confirm your choice. Telegram will automatically apply your new name color, and you'll see the change instantly in your chats. It's that simple. Changing your name color is a great way to make your Telegram account feel more personal. It's a small touch that can add a big difference to how your profile looks to others. If you ever feel like switching things up again, just repeat these same steps and choose a new color anytime you like. Thanks for watching.